Hey everybody, it is your travel agent David, and I am on Fremont Street, and we're going to go check out the Golden Nugget. Now, just a little bit about the Golden Nugget. It was opened in 1948. It is now owned by Landry's, but it was built by Guy McAfee, who is a former Los Angeles vice cop who became a gambling entrepreneur. It is one of the oldest casinos that's still in operation in Vegas today. Now, known for having hosted big names like Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, and more, it underwent major expansion in 1973, 1977, 1984, 1992, and the $170 million renovation in the mid-2000s. So this hotel has 4 towers with over 2,400 rooms. Let's go check it out. One of the cool features about here is they have a shark tank, and there's a 3-story slide that goes right through it. It's really cool. I don't know that I'd do that, but maybe I would. Would you go through a shark tank in an enclosed water slide? Let's go check it out and see. So I'm going to assume that that's a killer class. Now, if you want to just fly in and not have a car your whole trip, and you're staying here at the Golden Nugget, or even if you're not and you're in the area, there is a budget rental car facility right across from the Starbucks. Just so you can get an idea of how big the gaming floor is, it's 38,000 square feet of gaming. It's pretty huge. It's like a Walmart. That is the world's largest golden nugget. It was found in Australia in 1980. Yeah. It's all right. Now, the main entrance for the Golden Nugget is off of Carson Street and Casino Center. It's where you can valet. You come right on into the reception area. And to your right will be Vic and Anthony's and the chocolate box. And past that's where the Golden Nugget is. Now, just so you know, like the food options here at the Golden Nugget, you have Vic and Anthony's, which I've eaten there like 2 or 3 times. It's always great food. It's a upscale steakhouse. There's the Saltgrass Steakhouse, which is casual dining. The Chart House, which is seafood and aquarium views. You get the Grotto, which is Italian cuisine. Red Asian cuisine, which is Chinese and Japanese fusion. The Claim Jumper, which is big portion casual fare. The Cadillac Mexican Kitchen, which is Mexican food and margaritas. And then you get the grill, steaks, and buffet, which are quick and casual options that are available. Also available here is the spa at the Golden Nugget, a fitness center, retail shops, and event spaces and wedding services. Now, here at the Golden Nugget, they do have free self-parking for guests. If you're not a guest, you can still park here, but it does cost you hourly. Now, here's some pros for staying here at the Golden Nugget. They have upscale accommodations in a downtown setting. The Shark Tank pool is a top Vegas attraction, wide variety of restaurants, and it's one of the few luxury tiered options downtown. Now, some of the cons are it can be busy and loud, especially near Fremont. The resort fees around $30 a night or $39 a night. Older part of the hotels can feel dated, and the pool can close in the winter months. So the final take on staying here at the Golden Nugget. So if you want a luxurious stay in downtown Las Vegas, the Golden Nugget is probably your best bet. It has more elegance than most of the Fremont properties as well, and it's greatly located. Completes our time at the Golden Nugget. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.